Ayan, ang dami din palang tao dito. Siyempre, before kami mag-start, kumustahin ko muna kayo. Kumusta naman kayo? Nanyapo na ka mo? May energy na ka mo magsaot? Bantay lang wala magsaot, ma? And once again, kami pong Sweet Notes Music. We are from General Santos City. At sobrang happy kami na na-invite talaga kami dito sa inyong lugar. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating dearest Mayor. Mayor, salamat gid sa pag-invite sa amin dito sa napakagandang lugar ng Hordan. Maraming salamat po. Excited na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo? Ready ng mga energy? Kasi ang gusto namin, mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabing ito. Kasi para talaga sa inyo, yung gabing ito, kaya na-invite kami. Gusto namin, lahat tayo uuwing masaya ngayong gabi. Ayos ba yun? Alright, once again, wag na natin patagalin. We are the Sweet Notes Music! Come on, come on! I wanna see the energy. Hordan, come on! Pwede ba natin itaas yung ating mga kamay? Yeah! Woo! Let's go!
Hey, hey! Looking in her eyes, I see paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love and my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Everybody, come on, sing together. Let them say we're crazy. I don't care about that. Put your hand in mine, and baby, don't ever look back.
Let's go!
Let the world around us just fall apart. Never we can make it. We're hard to hold.
Hordan, sabay-sabay!
And we can be
This tune together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
and if this
We're a sign of lovers. We still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I'll stay here with you. Take it to the good side, save it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
One more time, sing along.
Hey!
Let them say we're crazy until they know. Put your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it. We're hard to
Sa
hold.
likod, sabay-sabay!
And we can be
The string together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
and if this
We're a sign of lovers. We still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you. All that I ever need.
and all that I want to do is hold you
Forever. Hey!
forever and ever. DJ guitar. One more time, we're done. And we can build this trip together.
Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
And if this
World was sign of lovers. We'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us.
one more time, ready, sabay-sabay. Come on.
Build this trip together. Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
And if this
We're a sign of lovers. We'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Gusto nyo pa ba? Siyempre, first song pa lang yun. Alright, this time we're gonna change the beat for a moment. Sino ba dito mga mahilig ng love songs? Mga love songs. Ay, o sige, ipahin ko naman yung tanong. Sino bang mga in love ngayong gabi? Ay, sana all. Sana all in love. This is for everyone. Hope you like this one. Sabay-sabay tayo. Into the midnight sun, wheels around and round, you're on my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight, sending all my love along the wire. Say look around and no place to start a family. Right down the line, it's been you and me. Love and the music band, that's what's supposed to be. Oh boy, stand by. I'm forever yours. Sabay-sabay!
Sing!
Yun! Salamat! Come on, let's sing the song together. Circles alive under the big top world. We all need the clouds to make us smile. Yeah. Through space and time, always another shore. Wondering where I am, lost without you. Being apart ain't easy on this love affair. Two strangers learn to fall in love again. I get the joy of rediscovery. Oh boy, stand by. I'm forever yours. One more time, let's sing this song. Yeah! Pwede ba natin itaas yung ating mga kamay? Sabay-sabay natin. Come on! Itaas at sabay-sabay kantahin! More na! Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! Once again, Hispanic guitar PJ! I'm One more time, give it up for PJ and guitar! Maraming salamat po. Woo! Do you want more love songs? Siyempre, mahilig talaga tayo sa love songs. This time, here's another song para sa inyong lahat.
Sino ba mga in love dito ngayong gabi? Konti lang ah. Sino ba mga single dito ngayong gabi? Mas marami ang
Mas
single.
marami.
Bakit wala kayong mga partner? Saan ba yung mga partner nyo?
Naghahanap pa daw.
Sino mga broken-hearted ngayong gabi?
Meron din.
Sure ka, Nay? Alright, next song namin kung sino makita namin yung pinakamataas ang energy, mamimigay kami ng giveaways. Kung sino pinakamaingay ngayong gabi, bibigyan namin ng giveaways. Alright, next song namin para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa old-time favorite music. Hope you like this one. Baby, wanna tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Lost one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my heart. You don't wanna set it up. You don't want to make it stop. I don't wanna feel lost right now. Now you want me to forget everything I said, but there is something left in my heart.
Not sabay-sabay!
I want the way you're kissing, the feeling's so strong. We're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know. I was almost about to lose my faith, but still dreaming. But it was too late. Know the words? Sabay-sabay, everybody. Hey! But then you came along to my surprise. Sino gusto ng surprise? Diyan sa likod. Hey! And stole my heart before my very eyes. Jordan, I wanna hear you sing. Everybody! You took me right. What? Beautiful. Simply by showing that you love me too. Only by giving me your everything. Diyan sa likod, ay isa pa tayo dyan. So true, okay naman. Mukhang malakas ang energy dito sa harap ah. From my youngest years to this moment here. Abot kaya to dyan? I've never seen such a lovely queen. Everybody sing. From the skies above to the deepest love, I've never felt crazy like this before. Everybody say, paint my love. What? It's the picture thousand sunsets. It's the freedom of a thousand dudes. Baby, you should paint my love. Sana yung pinakamaingay ngayong gabi. Since you came into my life. Dito na side. Days before all faded black and white. Since you came,
Ayaw ko na
everything's changed. Lahat ng mga single, itaas ang kamay! Bakit ang daming single sa Hordan? Another song. After some time, I found the made up night. She is the girl, and I really want to make her mine. Dito na side, ayos na tayo dyan. I'm searching everywhere to find her again. Tell her I love you, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. Sabay-sabay tayo. I found her standing in front of a church. The old plays in time were riding in search. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying this. Come on! What? 25 minutes too late. Though you're traveling so far, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Kung natin gusto yung pinakamataas ng energy ngayong gabi, marami pa kaming ipamimigay.
Itaas yung ating mga kamay! Sabay-sabay tayo, everybody! Hey! 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 Sa likod, sabay! Come on! Let's sing this song together! Let's go!
Milky Way on the heaven, swinging just for you. And Mr. Moon, he came by, saying goodnight to you. I sing for you, I sing for mother, we're praying for the world. And for the people everywhere, gonna show them our way.
If you know the words, come on, say!
Almighty child, the world's so wide, but you'll be the road. Paradise, there's one reason why. Come to sleepy child. Gonna come from a sleepy child.
Keep you away.
Keep you away from the world so wild. Keep you away from the world, away from the world so wild. Woo! Sleeping child.
Palakpakan naman siya! Yeah, maraming salamat po. Alright, our next song, sino ba ang mahilig sa OPM ngayong gabi? OPM, Original Pinoy Music. At sino ang mga kabataan ngayong gabi? Kabataan!
Mukhang maraming kabataan ngayon ah.
Ay, marami nga.
Oy mga kabataan, mahilig ba tayo sa old songs? Sino mga kabataan? Itaas ang kamay.
Nakaka-relate ba kayo sa mga kanta namin? Ay, very good.
Kantahan mo na lang.
Oh, kantahan na lang natin ng mga mas makabagong kanta para naman mas makarelate sila. Ay! If you know the song, you can sing along with me. Come on! Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawin. Kahit na ikaw ay nabago na, ibigin pa rin kita. mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Galing sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Here we go!
Yeah!
Ba't ka lumalayo, labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo'y malabo. Bumalik at muli ka rin aalis, tatakbo ka ng mabilis, yayakapin ng mahigpit. Come on! Ang hirap ba? Di mo alam ang iyong pupuntahan. Kung ako ba ay pagbibigyan o nalilito lang kung saan. One more time! Tatakbo.
Lakasan mga kabataan!
Let's go! Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. Let's go! O bakit ba kailangan pa umalis? Pakiusap lang na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayo'y mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Galing sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Let's go! Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo'y malabo. Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumalayo, labo ng labo, ika'y malabo. Pwede bang isa power down? One more time! O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayo'y mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Galing sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit. Kahit di ka na sa'kin.
Oh yeah! Palakpakan lahat ng mga kabataan ngayong gabi.
Thank you!
Wala na tayong utang sa mga kabataan. Isa-isahin
wala
natin to
na.
para mag-enjoy tayong lahat. Galing sa kabataan, kuya, ate, nanay, tatay, lolo, lola. Okay ba yon?
Yes!
Alright, next
Pusit.
song. Next song namin para sa... Sino ba dito yung may mga minamahal na hindi nila kasama ngayong gabi?
Ay, marami din.
Bakit naman hindi nyo kasama? Saan nyo
Ba't
nilagay
di
yung
nyo
mga...
sinama?
Sino ba dito may mga long distance relationship?
Ay, aray ko.
Alright, next song namin para sa lahat ng may mga long distance relationship. Sabayan nyo kami sa next song. Kumustahin natin lahat ng mga mahal natin na hindi natin kasama ngayong gabi. Yeah! I-text nyo na, sabihan nyo na uwi na. Hindi na ako galit. Another song from the Freddy. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Saan nasa mabuti ka? Ako'y huwag mong intindihin. Nakakaraos din. Mga gabi na paglaan, dinadaan sa awitin. Nalulungkot kong damdamin, naaaliw na rin.
Hold on
gabi. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Malamig ba? Kung mayayakap lamang kita, lamig ay di nadarama.
Jordan, pwede ba yung mas malakas?
Jordan, sabay-sabay.
Everybody!
Panaginip, laging ikaw, sinta. Oh yeah. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na malayo ka, parang kapiling ka, mahal. Alright, ayan naman, everybody. Kung okay lang gyapon, kumusta ka aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y huwag mong intindihin, nakakaraos din. Kumusta ka aking my love?
Okay lang.
Yeah.
Okay lang yapon na. Lumalaban. Sino nga yung mga may LDR ngayon? Asan na yung mga partners nyo? Nasa abroad? Nasa bahay? Hindi nyo sinama?
Ato
I
sa
love you too. Alright. Tapos na yung mga in love. Tapos na rin yung mga LDR. Dito naman tayo sa mga niloko. Sino mga niloko? Aray ko.
Bakit ang dami?
Bakit marami pa rin? Sino mga manluloko? Ay,
Hoy!
tumaas ng kami. Para sa inyo. Come on. Niloko mo, winasak mo, pati mga pangarap ko. Ilan kaya ang tulad mo? Bakit ganyan ang puso mo? Jordan, sabay-sabay! Natatawa ko ng... Wow! Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Ukay bilis naman sino ba'y nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhay mo pa? Kaway-kaway sa mga manluloko. Maraming manluloko dito. Come on! Nilason mo ang isip ko, ang puso at damdamin ko. Anong sakit sa aking dibdib, ang pag-ibig na alam mo. Yung mas malakas! Come on! Nakatawa ko. Wow! Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Ukay bilis naman sino ba'y nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhay mo pa? Amatay! Nakatawa ko nang marinig ko ang balita, mayroon ka na iba. Halos kahapon lang sinabi sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Kung kahit bilis naman sino ba nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa? Natatawa ako nang marinig ko ang balita. Grabe talaga tong mga manluloko. May araw din kayo. Ayan, magbago na kayo, mag-New Year na wala. Maraming salamat! Gusto nyo pa ba? Sabihin nyo lang nga kung gusto nyo ng sumayaw.
Ubusin muna natin tong mga love song before tayo mag-proceed sa ating non-stop sayawan. Pero teka lang, bakit ang daming mga broken hearted dito sa Hordan? Ano bang meron dito? Sino ba mga single ulit? Itaas ang kamay!
Woo!
Next song namin, para sa lahat ng mga single na iniwan po ngayong gabi.
Ay, grabe.
Para sa
ka ba?
lahat ng mga pusong pinaglaruan.
Ay,
Aray ko.
Aray ko.
Sinong mga walang partner na andito ngayong gabi? Ang dami ah. Next song. Mula nang mawalay ka na, damdamin kong ito sa'yo di na mapalagan. Tinatanong itong aking puso, kiping lang nagbago ka. Ano ba'y nagkulang sa iyo? Sayang lang ang pagmamasa na inalay ko. Bakit ikaw ngayon na biglang naglaho? Bakit kung siyang marunong aray ko, di siyang madalas maiwan? Hindi lamang dahilan. Bakit kung sino pa ang siyang marunong magmahal ay siyang madalas maiwan? Hindi lamang dahilan. Sayang lang ang pagmamahal na inalay ko sa'yo. Bakit ikaw ngayon na biglang naglaho? Sino ulit yung mga walang partner ngayong gabi? Uy, ingatan natin yung mga dalang bata, baka mahulog sila. Dito na sa another song. Tapos na ba dito? Diyan sa gilid, ayos na ba kayo dyan? Diyan sa likod, ayos na ba kayo dyan? Another song para sa lahat ng mga nangihinayang sa kanilang mga pinagdadaanan sa pag-ibig.
Aray ko.
Amo siya pinakasakit nga line-up namon para sa lahat ng mga single ngayong gabi.
Sa mga sawi.
Ayun, no? Come on, everybody. Inaamin ko, nagkamali ako. Inaamin ko sa buong puso mo. Iniwan ka na walang dahilan, sumama sa iba, hindi lang ako nagpaalam. Di man lang nagpaalam. Nabalitaan ko, lagi ka raw tulad. Dinigdig mo aking pagkawala. Lagi ka raw umiiyak, lagi mo raw akong hinahanap. Di ka pa rin nagbabago, mahal mo pa rin ako. Nangihinayang ang puso ko, sa piling ko'y lubuha ka lang. Nasaktan lamang kita. Ako sana'y patuwarin na. Sino ba yung pinakamaingay ngayong gabi?
Ayaw ko na.
Kapag ang puso'y hindi sana'y mag-isa, puro lungkot na lang ang nadarama. Pag walang tibok, walang ligaya. Kapag wala ka, buhay ko'y walang sigla. Yung pangako, ako'y laging mamahalin. Tandang-tanda ko pa ang ating sumpaan. Hanggang wakas ay magsasama. Umulan bumagyo, gumuhuma ng mundo, ikaw at ako pa rin.
Organ, sabay-sabay!
Say, remember me. Kapag nag-iisa, kapag ika'y nalulungkot, huwag kang mag-alala. Remember me. Kapag iniwan ka, luhaan at sugatan ng iyong minamahal. Remember me. Hindi ko kayang limutin ka noon, ngayon, mapagkailanman ako'y maghihintay. Grabe, makalungtaw. Okay man? Another song para sa lahat ng mga sawi sa pag-ibig ngayong gabi. Sabayan niyo kami, ah. Bakit ba ang buhay ko'y ganito? Wala na yatang natitirang pag-asa sa mundo. Lagi na lang tayong pinaglalayo. Di ba nila nadarama ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo? Di ko na kaya ang humanap pa ng iba, pagkat ikaw lang ang tanging sinasamba. Alam mo ba, kapag kapiling ka, bawat sandali ay walang kasing ligaya.
Sabay-sabay!
Umiyak ko't sumisigaw, pati ang isip ko't damdamin ay humihiyaw. Buhay ko ito ay walang halaga kung ang pagmamahal mo ay mawawala pa. One more time! Umiyak ang puso ko't sumisigaw, pati ang isip ko't damdamin ay humihiyaw. Pagmamahal mo lang ang tanging pag-asa. Di ko kayang mabuhay kung lalayo ka. Ladies and gentlemen, Charlotte.
Gusto niyo pa ba? Para sa mga kababaihan ngayong gabi nito. Para sa mga sawing sa pag-ibig. Come on! Kapag ako ay nagmahal,
Aray ko,
isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Iaalay buong buhay, lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Come on, sing with me! Here we go! Tumingin ka man sa iba, pagwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Sabay-sabay! Bakit nga ba pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka pang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba? Isa pa! Mahal kita. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka pang iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba? Sabay! Bakit nga ba mahal mo siya? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Mahal na mahal ko yan. Gusto niyo pa ba? O sayawan na tayo. Balita ko mahilig kayo sumayaw dito.
sumayaw na tayo kasi umiiyak na si nanay.
Ay,
Masakit na daw masyado
Masakit
yung
na
mga
daw
song.
Hindi na daw kaya ng puso. Bago tayo magsayawan, pwede ba nating pailawan yung gabing ito? Mayroon ba mga flashlight sa phone? O sige, kasi may drone tayo. Kitang-kita to sa drone. Guys, pwede nating turn on yung mga flashlights natin. Come on!
Yung nasa likod, pwede ba nating i-turn on yung flashlights
Yes!
na ating mga smartphones? Come on!
Mas marami, mas maganda to tingnan sa drone. Sige, come on! Pailawan natin yung Hordan. Ayan, pakita natin sa buong Pilipinas kung
Come on,
gaano tayo karami
flashlight!
ngayon. Yes! And let's sing this wonderful song together para sa inyong lahat. That Arizona skies burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. Sabay-sabay! So when I'm on your one more time, come on. Every time we sing, beautiful. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Come on, lovers in the night,
Wave your flashlight, wave!
always trying to ride.
Wave!
We don't know how to rhyme it down, we try. But I really love you're where I wanna go. To part of me that's you will never die. One more time. So when I'm on your tongue way. Sayaw na!
Oh yeah!
Welcome to Lucky Church tonight! Everybody dance for the people! Woo! Everybody dance, come on! Yeah! Asan yung mga dancer natin dito?
People say
Come on.
that I'm a fool, well I don't know.
Yes, come on!
These I found what it takes to be strong.
That's it, come on, hold up!
I was dreaming all day long.
Ready kayo sumabay dyan sa likod if you wanna dance? Come on!
Eyes wide open, I would choose not to see.
Are you ready? And 1, 2, dance!
I wanna see you in. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweet or smile. Not even if you play
Ay, ang saya naman dyan!
yeah. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like
Sayaw na kayo, sayaw! Come on!
take good care of all those things that we have.
Don't be shy, come on!
I've been looking
Ayun.
far away
That's the energy,
too
come on!
long now.
Woo!
Seems like everything must come to an end.
Sabay-sabay mo dyan! 1, 2, dance!
No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to lay your wings. Not even if you smile, sweet as mine. Not even if you're begging, darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweet as mine. Not even if you're begging, darling, please.
Yes, come on!
Time after time, nothing that I can do. Loving you lazy, loving you lazy, but thinking through it all. Day after day, leaving the past behind.
Come on!
Coming to terms with stitches and burden, learning to fly again. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even if you smile, sweet and smile. Not even if you're waving, darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, sweet and smile. Not even if you're waving, darling, please.
Alright, I wanna see everyone enjoying tonight. Come on! Sa mga gustong sumayaw, don't be shy! Isayaw naman naman kayo! Ayos na kayo dyan?
Oh yeah!
Yes! Sa likod, if you want to dance also, just enjoy it! Come on! Gusto niyo ba mag-enjoy ngayong gabi? Sayaw na ulit! Ha! 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 Sabay! Today life's fading slowly. The time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I'm
Alright, sayawan na! Sa mga gusto sumayaw dyan, come on, party people! Go on, come on, be breathless, take me, teach me, until I can deny it. Please go on, go on.
Come on, party people! There's no tomorrow. I'm not asleep, and I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave on time. So go on, come on, leave me breathless and teach me until I get denied this loving feeling. You make me run with your keys. Go on, yeah. Happy founding anniversary! Horda! And I cannot from you, I cannot hide. I've lost my will to try. Getting tired, give on one more time now. So go on, come on, leave me breathless and teach me until I get denied this loving feeling. You make me long for your kiss. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on. Do you want more? Come on!
Alright, sa magsusumayaw.
Woo! Come on! Sa lahat ng mga silosa ngayong gabi! Isas mo yun, guys! Come on! Sayaw!
Alright, sayaw na!
Hey! Woo! Ha! Everybody just for the people! Ha! Even on the song, everybody sing! Sabi nakikita kung magkasama na tayo. Nainis ako, sisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkagato. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di naman tayo. 1, 2, 3! Nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko. Sa pinakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayo.
Alright, sa magsusumayaw, don't be shy, party people!
Nasaan siya? Bakit ba siya? Bakit di na lang ako?
To the DJ, Yuski!
Yes, out na saan? Everybody cheers! Asan na yung mga dancers sa harap? Dapat yung mga nasa harap yun ang malalakas sumayaw! Yeah, hey! Let's go, come on! Ha! Talagang tinayuan! Sabay! Sana'y mapansin ang aking nadarama sa'yo.
Ala, sige, sayaw eh!
Kundi lang rin ako, sana'y mamatay na lang tayo. Let's go! At di ko alam bakit ba nagkaganto.
Layat na mga alien, sayaw-sayaw, Choy.
Nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo.
1, 2, everybody clap!
Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang bibig ko. Sa pinakikita ko na magkatabi tayo.
To the DJ, Idol!
Hindi naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsasalosan siya. Bakit ba siya? Bakit di na lang ako? 1, 2, 3, sayaw! Hey! Woo! Everybody! Woo! Sayaw niyo ba? Huwag na kayong mahiya! Let's go! Sige. Bago tayo magpatuloy, pa-picture muna kami. Ayos lang?
Alright, pwede ba nating itaas ang ating mga kamay para makita tayo sa camera?
Let's go!
Jordan, pwede ba nating itaas ang kamay simula sa harap, papunta sa likod? Paki-turn off na lang din po ng ating follow spot para hindi against the light. Sa likod, itaas ang kamay! Alright, 3, 2, 1, taas kamay! 3, 2, 1, say A! Say alright! One more time, say A! Say B! A, B, C! A, B, C! Okay lang tayo dyan sa likod. Ayos na ba tayo dyan?
Gusto niyo pa ba? May energy pa bang sumayaw? Let's go!
Hey! Greetings all the single ladies. Give it, hold on, everybody. Put your hands in the air, hold on. Put your hands in the air, everybody say ho. Hey, hey, ho. Hey, everybody say, girl, you're my angel.
You're my darling angel.
Lakasan nyo. Closer than my peeps, you are to me. Wow, wow. Shaggy.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Oh yeah, come on. Go.
Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need.
There you go.
Lady.
Hey, love was one big party when I'm still young. My toes gonna hover back when I'm so done. It's all got to one and the hop here for no can't be a person. I'm Mr. Robalova. Looking next at the Elias Minson. I said, but not giving her much attention.
Yeah.
She was there for my consolation. I wanna show the nation of my appreciation. Hey,
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling
itaas ang kamay, come on. Hey,
Closer than my peeps, you are to me.
hey,
Baby.
Shaggy.
Shorty, you're my angel.
You're my darling angel.
Girl, you're my
Let's go.
friend when I'm in need.
What?
Lady.
You're a queen, I know you used to be treated. I know what I think of the love that you needed. I cut off the but I cut down to hate it. Talking it beated, mission completed. Mama said that's how you nice this program. That's what I've been missing around it very much, son.
Yeah.
But the feeling that the heart for you was so strong. I've been thinking it so long, I think you'll never be wrong.
Girl,
Hey!
you're my angel.
Everybody say,
Darling.
Shoo-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo.
Closer than my peeps, you are to me.
Yeah. Everybody, come on.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
What?
Girl, you're my
What?
friend when I'm
What?
in need.
What?
Lady.
Hey! Abi niya ubok singira, kay dako paa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abi niya ula bandira, kay dako paa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abi niya ubok singira, kay dako paa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abi niya ula bandira, dili magwapa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Hey! Dagang nga ingon nga maot kang nawong. Hoy! Ayaw ka bala ka ako rang giutong. Akong giando sa mga kantsaw. Nga akong uyab do anggit-anggit o kabaw. Grabe, kaayo mga tawa. Lami ipabaligi yang ipakulata.
Yeah.
Magpaabot lang ta sa panahon. Nga akong uyab magwawagin ni puhon.
Girl, you're my angel.
Everybody say!
Darling.
Do-be-do-be-do-be-do-be-do-be-do. Wow,
You
wow.
are to me.
Yeah. One more time, come on.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling.
Shoo-be-do-be-do-be-do-be-do-be-do. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Come on. Shaggy.
Girl, you're
My angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shaggy,
Shorty, you're
Shaggy,
my
Shaggy.
darling.
Shoo-be-do-be-do-be-do-be-do-be-do.
Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need. Lady.
What's in me?
Gusto niyo pa ba?
Alright, para sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nagmamahal sa OPM. Alright, Jordan, pwede ba tayong kumanta? Yung nasa likod, ayos pa ba tayong lahat dyan? Another song from Block 9. Gusto ko sabay-sabay tayo kakanta sa chorus. Pwede ba yon? Sino ba pinakamataas ang energy ngayong gabi? Next song from Block 9. Di ko alam kung bakit, puro na lang pasakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Laging tanong ay bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Puro hirap at galit. Di ko alam kung bakit. Hold on, sabay-sabay. And 1, 2, 3. Kayo Magsisyon pa ba kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran? Taas na pader, pinapaligiran, nakapilang mga mamahaling sasakyan. Mga pantay na langit, bulong ng bulong. Wala namang kasal pero marami ang nakambaro. Lumakas man ang ulan na walang butas ang mopo. Mga plato at kutsara na hindi kilala. Totoong matang kanin na simputi na gatas na nasa kahon. Hita hindi Pasko sa lamesa may hamon. Sarap siguro manirahan sa bahay na ganyan. Sabi pa nila, tumurin matatagpuan na tao na nagmamayari ng isang upuan. Ipagkakataon ay pinag-aagawan. Kaya naman, di niya pinagkakawalan. Kung makikita ko lamang siya ay aking sisigawan. Hey! Yung kayo po na nakaupo, tumayo, brain on you. Kamusta tayo dyan sa... Pwede bang bumaba? Mama, mong walang galang na po sa tao nakaupo. Alam yung patagal ng bigas namin na di puno. Himing ng bahay namin yung pinatabi-tabingero. Sa gabi, sobrang init na tumutunog ng yelo. Hindi kaya pilin upang ilagay sa inumin. Pinakulong tubig sa lumanta ko ring uling-uling. Kapit ang panggatong na inanod lamang sa isdero. Nagsisilbing kusina at sa umaga yami banyo ang aking inay na may kayaman ng isang kaldero. Dirid gamit na bang ng aking mais ng melo. Pero kulang na kulang pa rin. Ulam na tuyot asin. Ang 50 pesos sa maghahapoy pagkakasyahin. Di ko alam ko talagang maraming harang. Matakas ang abako doon nagbubulang-bulangan naman po kayo. Kaya sa dami na pera nyo, alam doktor ang makapabalinaw ng mata nyo. Kaya say,
Huwag kang masyadong
lakasan nyo.
ang matangkay.
Huwag kang masyadong halata.
Bato sa langit. Ang matangkay. Huwag masyadong
Huwag kang masyadong halata. Huwag kang masyadong halata. Huwag kang masyadong halata. Yo, may sasabihin ako. Mic check, mic check. Halika na't pasukin natin ang mundo ng laro. May kosa mas matindi pa sa mga ego'y at kano. Kapag bumanat sa mic, matumbas ko'y ilang tumbog sa aking dila na hindi na nagbabago ng tunog. Hinasa ng panahon, sabay ng beatbox yung estilo. Tinilapat ang mga letra, sitigas ng eskudero. At bilang itong barbero ang aking natanggap. Ang masapawan ng pangalan ko'y kay hirap matanggap. Ako yung bata na gustong gawing bataan. Ang veteranong naturing ang utak ay walang laman. Magkukapos ng English rap na putiri mapapaw sa papanggap na Inglesero. Mga bobong mag-pronounce full effects. Pero marami nga'y na-discorrect, hindi matake ang pag-aarte. Sabi ni Direk, wala kang karangalan. Para sa akin magyabang, isa ka lang natagahangan. Gusto sa akin mag-abang, break it down, yo.
Palakpakan na
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Gusto niyo pa? O pagbibigyan naman natin yung mga millennials. Sino mga millennials ngayong gabi? Mga Gen Z. Hoy, marami din. This next song para sa inyo. Sana magustuhan niyo at sabayan niyo po ako. This wonderful song para sa inyo lahat. Hey! Hey! Kung alam niyo yung kanta, pwede kayong sumabay. Come on! Sa likod, you can join us. Here we go! We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback stars were standing there
Oh, mga Swifties!
on the balcony in summer air. Come on! See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little bit I know. Sabay-sabay! That you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles at my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. Sabay! And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All this left to do is run. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet, 'cause we're ready for news. So close your eyes, escape this town for a little while. 'Cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter.
and Daddy said, stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. One more time, come on. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me. They try to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
Jordan, if you know the bridge part, sabay-sabay na ako. Here we go!
The ring, if you would ever come it around, my face you were fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. It's just in my head. I don't know what you're thinking. Down to the ground, pulling on the riverside. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. Talk to your dad, but he got a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, Cause we were both young when I first saw you.
Oh yeah!
Yes, palakpakan naman dyan!
Maraming salamat po.
Alright, this time, meron tayong mga konting acknowledgement before natin tawagin ang ating special guest for tonight. Ayan. Mamaya, may selfie time tayo. Meron tayong picture time sa mga gusto magpa-picture. Alright, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating next song, meron tayong mga gustong pasalamatan. At walang iba, kundi kayong lahat na nandito ngayong gabi. Palakpakan naman yung mga sarili natin. Thank you so much for coming here tonight. And of course, I would like to thank also the Honorable Congressman, Honorable J.C. Raman Nava, MD. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ating Honorable Governor, Honorable Maria Lucille Nava, MD. Thank you so much. To our Honorable Vice Governor, Cecil Gumarin, MD. Palakpakan. Yes, of course. Walang iba ang ating Honorable Mayor, Attorney John Edward
Yeah!
Gando.
Palakpakan, Mayor! Salamat po.
Mayor, thank you so much for inviting us here. Of course. Ating Honorable Vice Mayor, Ana Filipa Nava. Palakpakan naman po natin. And sa lahat ng mga SB members natin dito sa Hordan, Honorable Katya Angela Delgado, Gerardo Gaitan, Jovito or Jovito Atienza, Francis Luis Corpus, Maria Sheila Gange, yes, Christian Infante, Raymond Cruz, Rolin Faith Sayo, Ramon Sonico, the ABC President, and last but not the least, Riza Joy Caro, the SK Federation President. Palakpakan naman po natin. Meron tayong Pablo Honorable Samuel Gumarin MD and the Mayor Benavista Guimaras. Hey, thank you so much po. And of course, meron na po kaming konting pasingit. Ayan, this coming December 20, marirelease na po ang original song ng Sweet Notes, the first single of Sweet Notes Music. Sana po suportahan po ninyo. Abang-abang po tayo December 20, 6 p.m. po. Maraming salamat. Makikita nyo po yan in all social media platforms. So guys, huwag nyo kalimutan i-follow us, Sweet Notes Music. And it's time, tawagin natin ang ating special guest for tonight. Walang iba ang ating Honorable Mayor. Palakpakan naman po natin. Mayor!
Alright, do it daw kami ni Mayor. Pwede ba kami mag-do it ng Mayor niya? Tawagin natin ang Honorable Mayor. Maraming salamat. Hey! I've been alive forever, and I wrote the very first song. Mayor! I've put the words and the melodies together. I am music and I write the song. The words, sabay-sabay, taas kamay, come on. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love and special things. I write the songs that makes the young girls cry. And I write the songs, I write the songs. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Mayor! Hey!
My whole life's deep within you, and I've got my own place in your soul. And when I look out through your eyes, I'm young again, even though I'm very old.
Sabay-sabay!
I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love, special things. I write the songs that makes the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs.
Yeah! All my music makes it dance. Hey!
It's a spirit.
To take the chance. I wrote some rock and roll so you can move. Music fills your heart. Well, that's a real fine place to start. It's from me, it's for you, it's from you, it's for you. An old white symphony. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love, special things. I write the songs that make the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. One more time, everybody say. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love, special things. I write the songs that make the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. I am music and I write the song. Palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Mayor!
Thank you very much.
Grabe ka-talented, galing ng mayor nila dito. Nakakahiya naman. Mayor, salamat po. Kita nyo?
Palakpakan ulit natin.
Iba ang Jordan. Okay na to, one song lang kayo. Wala kami pang bayad. Mahal ang diit ni Mayor.
Honorable Mayor Attorney John Gando. Palakpakan ulit.
Mayor,
Thank you so
maraming
much.
salamat.
Woo! Alright, may energy pa ba kayong sumayaw? Pag sinabi kong sayaw-sayaw kayo, ha? Alright, but this time, sino ba mga magkakaibigan ngayong gabi? Magkakaibigan! Magbarkada! Ayun.
Sino ba yung mga magkakaibigan? Yung tunay na mga magkakaibigan.
Yan!
Yung pag sinabing ligo tayo ng dagat, hindi drawing. Sino dyan? Yung talagang totoo, talaga ng mga magkakaibigan.
Meron pa.
Yung mga tunay na mga magkakaibigan, mayroon daw utang sa isa't isa na hindi pa nababayaran. Totoo yun? Holo, bayaran
Pero ang
nyo na.
totoong kaibigan, hindi nagpapabayad ng utang.
Oh, hindi nagpapabayad ng walang interes.
Ay, yun pala yun. Alright, this next song para sa lahat ng mga magkakaibigan ngayong
Alright,
gabi.
mga magkakaibigan, itaas ang kamay!
Yeah! Let's sing this song. Hawakan niyo yung kamay ng kaibigan niyo. Sabay-sabay natin kantahin. Come on! And I never thought I'd feel this way.
There you go.
And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away,
smile.
keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure.
Everybody sing.
Say. Beautiful.
Wow. For good times
Good time.
and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Hey! Lahat ng mga magkakaibigan, itaas ang kamay. Hawakan natin ang ating mga tropa. Well, you gave up in me. And now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you. For the times when we were apart. When it goes around to know this wasn't coming from my heart. And then if you can remember,
Sa likod, sabay-sabay tayo. Come on.
Keep smiling,
keep smiling.
keep shining, though you can always count on me. For sure. Come on.
Say,
That's what friends are for.
oh yeah.
In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, though you can always count on me. For sure. Come on. That's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
One more time, everybody say.
Keep smiling, keep shining, though you can always count on me. Oh, for sure. Tell me, baby, that's what friends are for. For good times,
Good time.
bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
That's what friends are for. Palakpakan lahat ng mga magkakaibigan ngayong gabi. Always spread love. Tani hindi na drawing ang mga
Ligo dagat.
lagaw-lagaw.
Alright. Palakpakan ulit tayo. Once again. Woo! And this time, gusto ko po makita lahat, especially yung mga nasa likod na nag-enjoy ngayong gabi. Pag sinabi ko pong sayawan na, sayaw kayo. Minsan lang to. Kaya just enjoy the night. Huwag na kayong patumpik-tumpik pa dyan. Hayaan nyo yung katabi nyo dyan. Sumayaw kayo. We're done! Sabay-sabay tayo na sa China night! Hey! 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 Sabay! Come on! Let's dance for the people!
Everybody dance now.
Hey! 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 Yes, that's the energy! Come on! Everybody, everybody! 1, 2, 3, go!
12 and I'm watching the late show. My plans all alone. How I hate to spend the evening on my own. Let's go! Autumn breeze blowing outside the window. So look around the room and it makes me so depressed to see the gloom. There's not a soul out there. No one to hear my prayer.
1, 2, everybody dance.
You're making me a man up to midnight. Want somebody help me chase the shadows away. it or die. Oh, Mama, one more time, Mamma Mia, just to show again, Mama, just how much I missed you. Yes, I'm broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go, Mamma Mia? Now I really know, Mama, I could never let you go. So boy, just you turn it up for the people. 1, 2, 3. I can dance with you, baby, if you think it's funny that you might know that you're out. Come on. Well, I can chat with you, baby, little baby, that you might know that you're out. BJ.
Take it easy, baby.
Kaya yun sa'yo.
That's the way to go.
Sound na sound, sound. Hindi na mahuya, hindi na mahuya.
Easy,
Sound.
Take it nice and slow.
Let's go.
It's your
Ha,
mind
ha,
and do.
ha, ha. Everybody dance. I can dance with you, baby, if you think it's funny that you might know that you're wrong. Let's go. Well, I can chat with you, baby, little baby, that you might know that you're wrong. One more time. Well, I can dance with you, baby, if you think it's funny that you might know that you're wrong. Let's go. Well, I can chat with you, baby, little baby, that you might know that you're wrong. That you might know that you're wrong. One more time. That you might know that you're wrong. That you might know. That you might know that you're wrong.
Hey! To all the dancing queens in the house, sumayaw na tayo lahat. Come on, hey!
Sabay! You can dance.
Hey!
You can jump.
You know.
Having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl. Watch that scene. Digging the dancing queen. Ay, may mga dancing queen. Let's go. Friday night and the lights are low. Looking out for a place to go.
Oh yeah, come on.
Ooh, where to play the right music.
Oh, yeah.
Getting in the swing of the rhythm and key. Guys, come on! Anybody could be that guy. Not as young and the music's high. Where to play the rock music.
All right, come on.
Everything's fine. Gonna be okay. Steady go! When you get the chance.
Everybody.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah, you can dance, you can jump, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Sabay, sabay! Everybody dance! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Ang kasiyahan, tunay na pagmamahalan ay naramdaman, lalo na't buwing
Yun,
nagsasaya.
sayaw na! Come on!
Awiting bago, naghihintay para sayaw mo.
Awiting bago ay naghihintay.
Alright, sayaw na!
1, 2, 3!
Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa itakang panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa itakang panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Panahon natin nag-iiba, kaya't sundin, masasaya ang awit.
Sabay!
Nararapat na tangkilik. pag-ibig. Awiting bago ay nagiging, oh yeah, para sayaw mo.
Awiting bago.
Alright, sa mga susumayaw, huwag po tayo mahiyang sumayaw. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa itakdang panahon, kasabay ng mga pag-ibig ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa itakdang panahon, magkisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Alright, give me that shit.
Let's give it out to party people! Hey, hey, hey! Hurrah! Hurrah!
Sayaw na! Come on!
Hurrah!
Oh yeah,
Ayan, sumasayaw na!
let's go. Hey,
Huwag na mahiya, come on! Sound na sound!
3, 4. Rock, baby, rock, rock, baby, rock it to my heart. Oh yeah. Rock, baby, rock, rock, baby, say we'll never walk.
Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Kaway, kaway!
Sa bawat ilaw ng iyong katawan,
Kaway, kaway!
ako ay lalo nang nahihibang. Come on, it's rocket tonight.
Ako'y sa'yo forever.
Alright, come on.
Kaya i-moves mo na pagkat tayo ay together.
Rock, baby, rock.
Sabay! 1, 2, 3, go!
Rock,
Hurrah! One more time, let's do it! We're done! Let's go!
rock, baby, rock, rock, baby. Dahan-dahan lang. Hey! Rock, baby, rock, baby. Ako'y nag-aabang. Rock, baby, come rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby, come rock, baby, rock.
Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Here's another song! Tuloy ang kasiyahan! Come on, everybody, dance! Woo!
Walang iba ang sasarap sa pagkitingin natin. Saan ay di ang wakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin, oh no, kung kalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay nandito pakikinggan.
Sabay!
Mapakailan na.
Let's go!
Isang pag-ibig
Everybody dance!
ay parang lansangan na palalawangan. Kaya sa aming awit tayo ay maghigayon.
1, 2, 3, go! Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo.
Walang iba ang sasarap sa pagtitingin natin. Sana ay di na mawakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na mapungkas.
destination. Come on! I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man. For whatever that means. Here we go! And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out once in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? What that's right? And I said, hey, say, and I said, yeah, I said, hey, oh, let's go. Ooh, give it up a song, everybody say, and I tried. Oh my God, I tried all the time in this institution, and I pray. Oh my God, don't pray. I pray to save the life for evolution. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out once in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? Lakasan nyo! And I said, woo! I said, hey, sabay! Isa pa! And I said, o dito na ba? I said, hey! Say! Hindi kayo sabay-sabay. And I said, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Woo! My heels up like bent steel, trying to get up that great big hill of hope. For destination. Palakpakan ang mga sarili! Woo! Gusto niyo ba ba? Yes! Let's go! Woo! 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 Palakpakan naman dyan!
Alright, this time we're down to our last two songs. Once again, maraming salamat ulit po sa lahat po ng mga nag-suporta po sa Sweet Notes Music. At of course, once again, meron na po kaming i-release this month. This coming December 20 po, ipapublish na po namin sa lahat ng digital streaming platform ang aming first single. Sana po suportahan po ng Gimaras. Okay lang ba yun? Hordan, ayos na ba tayong lahat ngayong gabi? Nag-e-enjoy ba tayong lahat ngayong gabi?
Alright, here's another song for everyone. I hope everyone is enjoying the night. Come on, sa mga gusto pang maglingaw, sa mga gusto pang mag-enjoy. Come on, party people! Hey, 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 hey! Come on! You can understand this, sing along with me. Come on! Woo! That's a better guitar! Joseph's on a vacation far away. Come around and talk it over. So many things that I want to say. You know I like my girls a little bit older. I just want to use your love. Did you want to? I don't want to lose your love. Yeah. Let's go. I ain't got many friends left to talk to. No one's around when I'm troubled. You know I'll do anything for you. Another shoulder to cry upon. I just wanna use your love tonight.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah, I don't wanna lose your love tonight. DJ guitar. Woo! Give another song, come on. Trying to stop my head from shaking. Something in my mind just making sense. It's been a while since you were all alone, and I can help the way I'm feeling. I should let me, please, would you close the door? And don't forget what I told you. Just as your hands try to meet I'm wrong. Another shoulder to cry upon. I just wanna use your love tonight. Yeah, I don't wanna lose your love tonight. Let's go. Ooh, I don't wanna lose your love tonight. Ooh, I don't wanna lose your love tonight. I just wanna use your love tonight. Yeah, I don't wanna lose your love tonight. Ooh, I don't wanna lose you.
Pasko sa Pinas. Woo! May simpleng regalo na sininong at sininang para sa inaanak na nag-aabang. Ang buong pamilya ay magkakasama sa paggawa ng Christmas tree. Ayan ang barkada, ikaw ay niyayaya para magsimbang gabi. Ibang mukha ng saya, himig ng Pasko ay nadarama ko na. Everybody say, come on! Kung may tatalo pa ba sa Pasko ng Pinas, ang kaligayahan natin walang bukas. Di alintana kung walang pera, basta't tayo'y magkakasama. Ibang-iba talaga ang Pasko sa Pinas. Ibang-iba talaga. Kahit saan ikipara, may pambihig ng hangin di maintindihan. Magpapangiting bigla sa kung ano ang dahilan. Nadarama mo na ba, mo na ba, mo na ba? Ang kaligayahan natin walang bukas. Di alintana kung walang pera, basta't tayo'y magkakasama. Ibang-iba talaga. One more time! May tatalo pa ba sa Pasko ng Pinas? Woo! Ang kaligayahan natin walang bukas. Di alintana kung walang pera, basta't tayo'y magkakasama. Ibang-iba talaga ang Pasko sa Pinas. Maligayang Pasko! Thank you so
Love you,
much!
maraming salamat. Advance Merry Christmas sa lahat.
Love you all! Happy founding anniversary po! Thank you so much!